Hey everyone! Are you ready to dive into a culinary adventure that takes your taste buds on a global tour? I'm excited to share with you some of the most mouth-watering appetizers from around the world. Let's start in Spain with the famous tapas. These aren't just appetizers, they're a way of life. Picture this: a small plate of patatas bravas, spicy potatoes with a tomato-based sauce, or gambas al ajillo, succulent shrimp sautéed in garlic. It's simple, flavorful, and absolutely addictive. Next, let's jet over to Japan for some delectable sushi. I'm not just talking about any sushi, but specifically nigiri. Slices of fresh fish over pressed vinegared rice. It's a perfect start to any meal, clean and elegant. Now, who can resist the spicy, tangy flavors of Mexican cuisine? Ceviche is a must-try. This appetizer features fresh fish cured in citrus juices, spiced with chili peppers and garnished with onions, cilantro, and avocado. It's a refreshing burst of flavors with every bite. Flying over to Italy, we encounter bruschetta. This appetizer is all about the freshness of its ingredients. Ripe tomatoes, basil, and mozzarella on top of toasted bread drizzled with olive oil. Simple? Yes. Delicious? Absolutely. And let's not forget about the Middle Eastern delight, hummus. This creamy spread made from chickpeas, tahini, lemon, and garlic is not only tasty, but also incredibly versatile. Paired with warm pita bread, it's a comforting start to any feast. Heading to India, we find samosas. These deep-fried pastries filled with spices, potatoes, and sometimes meat or peas are a cornerstone of Indian appetizers. The crunch from the outside with the soft, spicy filling inside, it's just irresistible. Lastly, let's take a taste of France with escargot. Yes, snails. Cooked in a delicious potion of garlic butter, parsley, and sometimes a splash of white wine. This might not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's a culinary experience worth trying. Each of these appetizers not only offers a burst of flavor, but also tells a story of its own culture and traditions. Wherever you are, trying out these appetizers is like taking a mini trip around the world. So, the next time you're dining out or cooking at home, remember to spice things up with some of these international delights. Thanks for joining me on this tasty journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more delicious adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and keep eating.